Hi, I'm Michelle, the computer lady here at Cellbotics, and this is.
I'm Nicole. I'm the computer repair trainer here at Cellbotics.
And today we wanted to talk to you about how to start a computer repair business. Now, we've been getting questions on what I can do to start a computer repair business and how I can do that. And these are a couple of ways. Number one, you need training, of course. Not only do you need training, you need a little, a little financing. Now, it really will depend on what kind of computer repair business you want to start. Do you want a building, brick and mortar, or do you want to start as a mobile tech? Now, if you have a small budget, starting out as a mobile tech is a great idea right after school. So we come here, you get your training. Now, once you get your training, we give you tools to take with you. So you're already ready to start working on equipment once you leave class. Then we also have a business course, and the business course tells you how to set up your business. We have vendors that you can talk to get parts inexpensively, of course, so you can make money off your parts, and vendors that you can buy products from that you can resell.
Yeah, so let's explain a little bit more about that. So the computer course that Michelle hosts basically is setting up for the hardware piece of the CompTia A+ certification.
Yes.
Okay. She does cover some business aspects, but if you want a full business rundown, you will need to do the business course in addition, which can be done online via webcam. We have, you can just visit that page. Unless you do the device masters. If you do the device masters, then you're going to do 8 days, which is cell phones, which is, Chris and I and all the other trainers, Michelle's course, and then the business course, which I give. So basically that would be like how to get your AN, how to advertise, how to show up on maps, how to do Facebook, how to do Instagram, how to set up your layout, just a ton of information of just like physically running and opening a business, right? She does give you tips about advertising and small things like that, but it's not just because she has to focus on getting you set up for the CompTia, so just wanted to clarify a little bit about that.
Absolutely. And that's why, let's not forget, the CompTia A+ encompasses not only workstations, tablets, servers, and printers, but it also encompasses cell phones, tablets, drones. All those things are part of the IoT, the Internet of Things. So you gotta have it. And so the only way to start a business is, one, you need a business course. Yeah. Even if you were starting any other business, you would take some type of business course. You might go to a business incubator. We give you all that stuff up.
Yeah, I've actually scoped out some of those kind of courses. Just to give you a heads up, I went to an SBA business course for people wanting to open a business. Now, SBA has great courses. I take a lot of them. I love them. But this one particular was for people that were wanting, that were interested. And when you went there, it wasn't anything about opening a business. It was more about what you have to sacrifice to open a business. And I felt like it kind of discouraged people. So whatever course you go to, make sure that they're actually giving you business information and they don't spend 2 hours just telling you how much time you're going to lose in your personal life. And we all know that if you're at this point or you're watching videos, you already know what you want to do. You want to open a business, you're ready to sacrifice, you want financial freedom, so you need physical business information, not somebody just to hype you up or tear you down. So just with that being said, if you don't take the business course with us, that's fine. No hard feelings. Wherever you do go, just make sure it's real business information and not just a motivational speaker or something like that. Okay?
Well, even if you don't take the Cellbotics 8-day master course or you don't take one of our courses, remember, whatever school you're looking for, you need instructors that have real world experience. They've been working in the industry and still working in the industry. You need a business course that's going to gear you towards what you need to start your business. Getting that EIN, getting that website up, all those things that it takes to start a business. Now, you're also going to need tools. So if you go to a school, whatever school you go to, make sure they're providing tools, they're providing your books.
Yeah,
or
Michelle
that's part
includes
of the course.
that with her course, so you leave with like almost $400 in value of tools and the book, and that includes the software course, which is almost 9 months long.
Absolutely.
In there. So wherever you go, like she's saying, make sure that you're getting real physical items and that it's really pertaining to what a business is supposed to do, not just this. I feel like a lot of business courses are like this they're these high up ideas. Like, oh, you want to open a business, you need to hire employees, but they forget that there's this bottom level of opening a business, which is just like on your own.
On your own.
I don't know. For me, it always feels like, because we go to a lot of seminars.
We do a lot
and
of
we hear that. We hear people, we meet people, because we try to talk to as many people as we can. I'm sure you've seen the photos on our Facebook of Michelle, like, handling that thing when she took over the whole event. But we talk to as many people as we can, and they'll say, I want to open a business. But then when you listen to the speaker at the seminar, they're speaking to people that already own a business or that have a ton of money to just go out and open a big facility. Hiring people and which eventually you will do, but you need like more of the basic levels.
Yeah, and that's where you need somebody that's going to work with you, because you also need support when you open your business. You need somebody you can call if you get stuck on a repair or something. You need instructors, no matter what school you're going to give you that type of support. Now, once you do that and you get your support, your training, you're out there, you got to decide whether you want to open up a building or whether you want to be a mobile technician. If you don't have a lot of money, being a mobile technician is quite simple. Yeah. What you'll do is what you learned in your business course, and you'll start to advertise to get people. You're doing word of mouth. You might go to the church or whatever and start to get people. And it's like, hey, I took my course. I'm certified. I got my certificates. I've been working on equipment. And the other thing is to go to some of the nonprofits in your area and see if they need some help. A lot of times, they'll need somebody to fix a few computers, and next thing you know, they're giving you free advertising.
That's great.
And they're telling people, hey, this person fixes computers. And it's just a way to start to generate business. A little bit at a time, but you're always going to be talking yourself up. The other part of it is decide what your plan is. You have to make goals. And once you make your goals, what your goal is, how much you need to make per day for your business to be successful. How much and how you're going to generate that. Is it through selling, diagnostics, and repair? You have to set what your limit is and where you need to be cash flush. Mm-hmm. Then once you do those things, these are how you start a successful business.
Which is what we talk about in the business course too. So I go and I have a whole section where I talk about what you want to make, what you need to make, and all these different things that you need to kind of break down and how to break it down.
And don't forget, you still got to pay Uncle Sam.
That's right.
Everybody's got to pay everybody's got to pay your IRS. So when you talk about your scope of things, anything you make, you need to make 30% over that, because you have to pay your taxes. Right. So this is just how to run a successful computer repair business. You need to be trained, you need support, you need tools, and you need the acumen to get business. Yeah,
so I would say to end this video would just be how to start a computer repair business. First off, the most important thing is going to be, who do you work with as training? If you already know how to fix computers and things like that, you may still need training, because you might not know the certain things that you might run into as far as dealing with customers out in the real world, and you might still need that business course. And I think adding cell phones and stuff will open you to much more income, and then give you the ability to get that certification. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel.
I'm Michelle, the Computer Lady.
I'm Nicole.
Absolutely. Always check our website out at www.cellbotics.com. Check our FAQs out. Also, we have a chat box there. Chat us up. We can ask you questions. And don't forget, the best schools give you all the things that you need in one course. All right, good luck and good success for you, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.